push around here.
I'm going to start following their grills in a sec.
And they stick into you and you can't get them out, and they leave holes and they can like do you.
Yeah, right.
That's spice. Oh, that's mad.
First initial thoughts, Rodham.
Absolutely amazing.
Absolutely stunning.
I've never seen anything like it.
Hey, what's out with Slippy Rocks?
Nick Minute.
I took a tumble big time. Yeah. Man got smashed just trying to hold my camera up from hitting the rocks, but brilliant, mate.
And got smacked down, yeah?
Yeah, I got smacked. Took a L. There you have it. Tallest waterfall in Australia. What?
Crocodile! That. Can you make it zoomed out so it looks like I'm climbing really high?
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Climbing up there. Can you make it so we have like that? Oh, you can make me up.
Oh. Why are you going that way for? It's down here. Why is he going up there for? Where are you going? It's this way. I'm sure I died before. Fell on that. Joel, you want to tell the boys what we're doing now? What are we doing?
Going for a walk to the top of the waterfall. Thought we'd check it out. Didn't think it existed, but
there's always a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. Hey, Brody? Aye, aye, soldier. Yeah, yeah. There's a little beach here and everything. Where are the gators?
As if there's sand here. 3/4 of that.
Quarters ago. That way? Or across there?
In fact, you can keep going that way. Do a virgin sacrifice at the top of the waterfall.
Cheers. Yeah, right.
Oh, how'd you not walk in that spider web? Bullshit.
I'm not sure how far along this Oh, Brody, crocodile!
We should have just got a boat and sailed down.
See ya. It's on a mish. Well, we're getting closer.
Yeah. To squeeze the load out.
So slippery.
He's never been on an adventure in his life. It's not one of the actual boys, are you? You're not gonna make the cut, bud. I just got speculation abandonment.
Think of it.
Woo! Ah! Ah! I usually do.
Bush must be so scary.
Oh, here we go. Pink tag. Pink tag. Pink tag, pink tag, pink tag.
Give me the pink tag.
Pink tag.
Pink tag.
Where?
It's the only way now. Well, I'm not.
I can just
Camera in the water, pink tag.
straight into it, mate.
Idiot. The pink tag's up there.
Yeah, I know, I saw it. Yeah, but this way's better.
Doesn't look like it.
Oh. We must get there. Oh, the cuts on my leg. Woo! Oh, so slippery. So slippery. That will be so nice to swim in. I had to walk across that, and if I slipped, laters. But we made it, and I'm going to launch a drone. The sun's gone down, it's getting dark, but look at all these swimming holes. Anyways, I don't think much people have been here, but the drone's going up.